let it be. And in my heart, darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Look, I remember on a day that we met, when everything was sunny and we had no regrets. Like when I make your heart skip a beat from a text, or when you told me all about your troubles and your wrecks. And the next, I ain't the last one either. I was with you, I felt magic like Peter. You're a broken soul, I thought that I would be the healer, thinking in my brain that I can never ever leave her. Damn, that's even if you did me wrong. So many nights and the fights carried on, ripped out my heart and the days felt long. I would write you letters and these letters turned to songs like, do you really love me? After everything we've been through, do you trust me? I'ma take a leap and let my fate get above me. Come on with me, baby, be my lover. Now.
Times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my heart of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be.
Let it be.
Let it be.
Speaking words of wisdom,
let it be. Let it be.
And I still remember how fast you made my heart go. So many good times, to our first kiss, when I looked into your eyes. Not just your look, but I loved you inside. Guess I hope you're happy even if you ain't mine. If you really love him, let him go and you'll be fine. Guess it's just a sign, it will be if it's meant to be. I don't ever think I'll put to words what you meant to me. You meant to me, I'm out.
Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. Whoa. Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. But I'll be alright. Got the universe on my side. So whatever's meant to be will be. Trust the process. Yeah, I guess I gotta trust the process on this journey called life. Even though that shit gets very hard sometimes, I want it all right now, want it all right now. I've been searching for a thrill that's hard to find in this life of mine, in this life of mine. But I know you cannot have happiness without pain. So I will walk through storm and rain with my head held high. Life led me to this crossroad. What way to go? Well, I don't know. But I'll be alright. Got the universe on my side. Whatever's meant to be will be. As I take the first few steps towards a better life, I'm a dreamer and I always will be. So I caught myself, wish upon a shooting star. Can you hear me even though you're far? Another bump in the road, that's nothing to me. That's nothing to me. That's nothing to me. I just wish that when it's all said and done, I can say I live. Yeah, through the hard times and good times, sunny days and rain, I can say I live. And life led me to this crossroad.